Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 14, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong July 14, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, July 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 14, 2024, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 140 million pesos for Sunday, July 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of July 14, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.